now are the winning coach, Coach Chito Victolero, and our best player of the game, Xavier Lucero. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Chito, lumamang kayo for the most part of the match. 15 of your players played on the floor at maganda rin yung naging ball movement ninyo. Now that you guys are healthier, unlike before, paano po ba yung naging approach ng team to start and finish strong in this match na ia-apply nyo rin sa susunod nyo pang mga laro?
Okay, first of all, I would like to thank Lord Jesus Christ for this W. We just try to focus on our defense and ball movement on this yung break namin, yung 4 weeks preparation namin. And I think lumabas naman sa laro ngayon. Medyo gumanda yung depensa namin. We limit them under 90 points, and that's good for us. And also, we have more than 20 assists. I think that ball movement, nagkaroon na maganda yung motion offense namin. And credit to the players. They did a very good job in terms of preparation. They work hard every practice. And we try to give emphasis now on the small things, on the little things na medyo nakalimutan namin nung last conference. Plus the fact na we try to give pressure also to the medical staff to be healthy for this conference.
Thanks, Coach. Now, Xavier, Coach himself mentioned it. You know, your team's preparation has been vital for this match. And some of the guys actually mentioned how competitive and high the level of intensity was in your trainings. Could you attest to that? And how much did the team's preparation help, and how did it materialize today to get that win?
Yeah, I think preparation is everything, you know. Especially when you only play each game or each team one time in elimination, so every game is super important. And yeah, we go at it in practice for sure, but you know, that's what they say. You know, practice should be easier. I mean, harder than the games. So once you get into the games, you've been there before, you know. So yeah, I think the preparation is the key for us.